Some titanium white. Please share if you can, guys, and tap the screen. Well, I'm gonna make this look like water now, so we're just gonna pull down here. Don't need a lot of colour. I'm gonna pull straight down. There we go. We can just pull this down again. I've got to come back to the water and put some other stuff in it, but we're building it up. Go down to about there. And then we're just going to swipe across here. We can make them instant water sort of feel to that. There we go. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Let's do this sort of tree reflection in the water. Just going to add some of this colour on here. It'll be right from there. We'll just sort of pull that colour down. Something like that. We've got that there. We can blend that out now. So I'm going to just gently and then cross. Just a little sort of reflection. Okay, we can just create some little bit of shimmer there. Just a bit of movement, you know. Being very sort of careful here. Careful around this area. I'm going to blend them out, I think, a little bit, but I don't want to touch too much here. I'm actually using the colour that I used to do the side of the trees. Something like that. We'll just do a little bit of blending here and there. So yeah, I'm just going to blend that out. It's a nice one, I think. I do think it's a very nice one. I think Bob's happy, and Brenda. I think they are very happy with it.